Alright, so this is a box, pretty basic. I went with this is a $20 Amazon product. I went with the red one just to be a little nicer. Gold quality. It does feel really nice in the hand. Pause. Let's go put this in. Let's go see if I can do this. I mean, it should be easy, but knowing me, let's be honest. Alright, so this is my Volkswagen CC. The diverter valve should be right under this. God damn it. We're down to one screw, so that's good. This piece just comes out. How the fuck am I gonna do this? Alright, so I figured out that you were supposed to lift the car. I'm stupid, but I lifted the car using the little ghetto jack stand. We're gonna see if we could get this car up and situated. I'm pissed off at the fact that I spent a majority of the time taking off the fucking airbox when I didn't need to, but I think we got it. Alright, so it turns out I'm an idiot, but I mean, we kind of already knew that. It's on the other side of the car, and I think I saw it already, but I'm just gonna... It's like down there. It's like, I think it's down there. God damn it, bro. Is that it? I don't even fucking know, bro. Can't really see it, but I found it. It's right here. Right there. Right fucking here, I think. It looks like a diverter valve, but I doubt it is. I don't know why I have an oil leak too, so that's fucking amazing. Alright, so update. I got the fucker out. It is somewhere. Yeah, right there. So I got that fucker out. And I'm gonna see this video on how to take it off. But yeah, it's right here. It has some weight to it. Look up a video on how to take this out, because I know you're supposed to do it some like special type of way. So it turns out it wasn't the right part. Me and Xavier.
Yes, sir.
We're going to go to the Amazon place of returns. The actual headquarters right now, actually.
Yo, we going corporate on these fools, bro. We going corporate.
So we're gonna go and return this. I just ordered the fucking Powerhouse diverter valve spacer from Euro Tuning. Hoping it's that one, because I didn't want to fucking buy it from ECS Tuning just because there was gonna be like a week shipping, but there probably is a week shipping on the fucking Euro Tuning as well. But Will told me that they're fast on shipping, so I'm gonna take his word for it.
Get that express, bro. We want that expressed out, bro.
I'm a little butthurt about it, but like that's why I didn't fucking continue the vlog. When I was angry because I was gonna be shit talking. It's all good. New parts coming in. It was just me being a cheap ass. So yeah, that wouldn't be a Harvey video without something going wrong. Am I right? All right, part 2. I got the new one. Fuck, I might have just shown my address, but this is a new box. Obviously, a little bit more. I fucking showed it again. Fuck. All right, box is open. Trying to do this in one hand again. Wow, we got a fucking packing peanuts. See, that's quality right there. Yo, I could win $100. What? I mean, should I send? Might as well fucking say whatever. Bam. And that's all that's in the packaging. So here we have the actual one. As you can see, it's not slanted and it says Powerhouse. I'm gonna go try to fucking install this again for the fucking second time. Comes with the hardware. We already been through this. Euro Tuning, 2.0 T, diverter valve, spacer, all. Let's go install this now. Alright, I got the car lifted. I'm gonna attempt to try to install it now. I got a light from Dollar Tree. Hopefully I fit under it. Alright guys, it's on. As you can see, there's no gaps, hopefully. The screws are on there. I could barely even move them with my fingers, so I'm assuming that's good. I think we're done. That was quick. I had like zero fucking room, to be honest, but yeah, bro, good. Let me just take it off the jack and turn it on. All right, car's on. Just gonna let it cool up a little bit, and then I'm gonna rev the fuck out of it. clearly here. It's working really good. So I'm gonna go take a quick drive with it and we'll see what the fuck is up. Also, I took off the insulation just to have it, I guess, here a little more in the car. So yeah, let's go test this out.